Ekonke iya ke. Ekonke iya ke. Ofiwa na radio iya kimi wa televiya ke. Ekonke iya ke. Ekonke Here today to teach these women farmers how to take care of their mental health. Now, mental health is all about the woman's well-being, which is very important in agriculture.